Okay guys, just line them up in the back straightaway. We'll have Jansen kick this thing off and we can do a drill motion. I like for the race close. Just line them up. Chris, Jake, Archie, Boris, Stuart, Morris, Rick, Yoda. Okay. Alright, Stuart. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go in the sound of the tone.
Everybody?
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna start the tone and we're gonna call everyone. Alright, Chris, Jake, Archie, Boris, Stuart, Morris, Rick, round the clock. Okay, now back to our regular broadcasting. It's all about the thermal and you guys out. Let's really down on point. Chris Johnson in second. Joe Dalton third. Boys, fourth. Holy fifth. Sixth. Larson. Warner. And as always, when we're done with you, press down, put the stamps on this down, go out and film us. Up next will be test show. Like this down. Just good, all on point. Just all in second. He's hit that one. Then Chris Johnson, third, fourth. Look at this. Fucking war. It's good. It's on. It's Johnson. It's Bernie. Good. This runner was a 14-1. Good runner was a 14-1. Morris to the 14-9. This was a 14-1. Hit with a 14-1. Morris to the 15-5. It's tight. It's 13 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Rick Ralley with a 14-6 that time. Rick with a 14-2. Rick's on 9 laps. Rick is on 8 laps. Rick is now on 9 laps with a 13-8. My God, that air conditioning machine is flying out there. But Rick Ralley's just going way. Yoda with 13-7 last time around. The 13-8. Took over the 14-1, Morris to the 14-5, Morris to the 14-4. It's a nice dice back there. Jake is 15-1. Rick Ritter is 14-7. Jeremy Johnson. 2 minutes left to go. Getting ready for thermal countdown anytime now.